We got a meetup of the Elko Motorcycle Group. Got everybody heading out here. Okay, so once again, here we are, the Elko Motorcycle Group. We got Mike, we got Dan, we got Mike, and we got James. We're gonna go meet up with another buddy who rides a Triumph, and he needed a little oil. So we're gonna go see if he was able to get his oil done. So once again, welcome back. This is JP 1970, riding with the Elko Motorcycle Group. And we got us a little ride out into the canyon today. Looks like a nice day for it. It's about 90 degrees. Alright, so here we are. We are out in the canyon. We got the two Harleys behind us. We got the Can-Am and the Ducati behind them. And then we've got my buddy Darren on his Triumph. I kept calling it a BMW, but it's a Triumph. So here we are, riding in the canyon. This is the first annual ride of the Elko Motorcycle Group 2025. Yeah, we have a pretty darn good turnout today. There's 6 of us. So yeah, that's not too shabby. And hopefully this is something we'll start doing kind of on a regular basis if we can get everybody available on a Saturday. We just had a couple of things to get handled before we all hit the road. Had to make sure our oil levels were right, make sure we all were gassed up, hydrated a little bit. So now we are into the canyon. This is going to be heading up to Adobe Summit. Yeah, this is just a nice little ride. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Put down my screen, you can really see what's going on. So here we are out in Lone Mountain Station. We got everybody all reassembled. We're going to head out to Taylor Canyon. And I'll bring up the rear this time. So here we are out in northeastern Nevada with the Elko Motorcycle Group, and we are heading out to Taylor Canyon. There's Mike on the old Ducati. Here's Darren on the Triumph. There we go, James, Dan. And we got Mike out front, I do believe. I hope I got everybody's names right. Apologize in advance if I didn't. Oh, we got Mormon crickets all over out here. Look at this. You see these things jumping around? That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, so northeastern Nevada has been, we've had a problem with these Mormon crickets. the last few years they've been really a real nuisance. So so it looks like the bad news is they're back. Yeah, you can see that red stripe there on the road. It's where cars have driven over them and leaving their bloody gutty remains over there. So stay off of that. They're slippery, those little things, and they can kind of fly. Okay, so Taylor Canyon should be coming up here pretty soon. It's not too far out here, and there's an old bar that used to be open. I don't know what. I haven't been out here for a while, so I don't know if it's still in operation or what's going on with it. I know the old owner operator passed away, so I knew they closed down for a while. I don't know if they've reopened or not, so we shall see. We are heading back into town, and looks like we got James out front, we got Mike right behind me, we got looks like Darren on his Triumph, and then I believe Dan and other Mike. We are just coming back into town, got out into the canyon, and we're able to not crash with all the dang Mormon crickets, and yeah, it was a cool little ride. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out this video. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to make some videos, which I look forward to doing more of this summer. Thanks again. Take care now.